Welcome to the Sunny Heat video tutorials. This tutorial is about the outside temperature sensor. What is the outside temperature sensor? The Sunny Heat outside temperature sensor measures the outside temperature. If the outside temperature is higher than the specified outside temperature, the Sunny Heat infrared heater will not heat. Where do I mount the outside temperature sensor? The outside temperature sensor is mounted outdoors in a location that is as central as possible to the Sunny Heat infrared heaters, so that all infrared heaters can use the outside temperature sensor. In addition, it should be noted that it makes a difference in temperature measurement whether the outside temperature sensor is in the sun or in the shade. It requires a 230-volt connection for the power supply. Once the outside temperature sensor is mounted and powered, it immediately starts working and communicates the outside temperature to the Sunny Heat system. Whether the outside temperature sensor is working can be checked in the menu under Sensors, Outside Temperature Sensor, Display. This menu item will be explained later. Tip: several Sunny Heat outside temperature sensors can be connected. Where can I configure the outside temperature sensor? The outside temperature sensor can be configured in the menu under Sensors, Outside Temperature Sensor. What is the Activate, Deactivate menu? In the Activate, Deactivate menu, the outside sensor can be activated or deactivated. The outside temperature sensor can be activated with a tap on Activate and deactivated with a tap on Deactivate. The selected value is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button once takes you back to the previous menu. What is the maximum outside temperature menu? This menu specifies the maximum outside temperature at which the Sunny Heat infrared heater should heat. If the outside temperature is higher than the maximum outside temperature specified here, the Sunny Heat infrared heater does not heat. Only when the outside temperature falls below the maximum outside temperature does the Sunny Heat infrared heating return to the set point temperature. The maximum outside temperature can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted and you return to the previous menu. If you press the back button instead of the confirmation button, you return to the previous menu without saving the changes. What is the display menu? In the display menu, the current outside temperature measured by the outside temperature sensor is displayed. If a minus instead of the temperature is displayed, there is no outside temperature sensor installed or the outside temperature sensor is not working correctly. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. If the outside temperature sensor is activated and the outside temperature is higher than the maximum outside temperature, the outside temperature symbol appears on the main display and the infrared heater stops heating. If the outside temperature is lower than the maximum outside temperature, the outside temperature symbol disappears and the Sunny Heat infrared heater regulates the temperature normally. In this tutorial, the outside temperature sensor was explained and activated. The maximum outside temperature was entered and the current outside temperature was viewed. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about Sunny Heat is available at sunnyheat.com.